my X-Men pose.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Okay. So it's New Year's Eve at the Gunaskera household, and I got some naughty boys behind me. But we are going to build our first fire in our fireplace. We have never had a fireplace before, so I have some scouts here who are going to respectfully teach us and show us how to build a fire. So what do we need to do, guys, first?
So
first we need to check
check the panel thingy, which
the flue. The flue.
Be careful, very comfy. Fireplace.
Be careful, buddy.
That's why in the Grinch
So push
they
the
say
thing down.
fireplace flue.
That's the make sure the fireplace flue is open. Stop.
Open.
All right.
Check.
And we have a fan in there, so we're gonna put the fan on.
Open. Check.
So that means the air
Fan
is going up.
Next thing is on. You take these kindling that we made. Just spilling everywhere. You're just gonna
Alright.
put it in here nicely, make sure you got a ton of kindling.
Well, don't take all the kindling because we're going to put some on the top. Alright, let me see what it looks like. Very nice, very nice.
You're going to take your
No, we're going to put some of the cardboard.
there's these cardboard strips that you cut out for Take some of them.
Put some of the cardboard nicely. Make it into like a square. Come on, Scout.
Futuristic scout. So that will do good. Now,
Alright.
mix it up a little bit because you want all of it to get in there. You don't want it to be.
So now let's take some wood. Daddy found some nice big chunks of wood right here. Hang on.
And it's seasoned.
And it's seasoned wood. So we'll keep this there, and we'll take some small pieces first at the bottom, and make like a little.
Hopefully the Grinch doesn't steal our fireplace logs.
The Grinch? Oh, I don't think the Grinch.
Well, he only comes
So,
this one
Alex is making
perfect. Right there.
a little.
We can do this one too.
Alright.
There we go. That should work. Now, we have our special equipment.
Hang on. Alexander Martin Sakura, I know you're very excited.
Okay. Some more wood on there. Nice big log. Okay. So
That's a big log right here.
that'll burn for a while. Time for starting fires with
Hang
that.
on. Then we'll put some wood on right there.
So we're ready?
Not yet, son. Not yet. You are impatient.
Not ready.
Alright.
Are we ready?
Not
Are we
yet.
ready? Are we ready?
So we're gonna stick some of these cardboard pieces all around. Can we stick some cardboard pieces nicely in the fire?
Can I have that cardboard piece? Thank you.
I'm the only one who stuck it in. Oh, I am.
And then there we can separate them up nicely like that.
Oh no. Thank you, Sir Alex,
And then
for your
put
help.
some cardboard on top, and we'll put some kindling on the top. So we're doing basically a mixture of a regular fire and an upside down fire.
Upside down fire?
Yes.
What's that?
Upside down.
So it reduces
So you
smoke.
put some kindling on the top so that it starts the fire
On both sides?
on the top of the fire. Alright.
Okay. Now
Our handy dandy piece of cardboard.
it's time.
Not yet.
Oh.
Man. I'm impatient here. Now we don't want to smoke up this whole house. So safety, everyone's gonna be nice and safe.
Are we gonna close the door
In a little bit.
when we start the fire?
Let me start this.
How would you close it?
Oh, it comes out there.
Is that why we have these little gratings?
Okay.
It's like a-
It is time.
Yeah!
Alright.
It's time.
Now, it is time for fire starting with Alex. So take a nice piece of cardboard and take some hand sanitizer. This is where it gets fun. So you
You said the scouts do it.
Yeah. We kind of cheat a little bit, but that's okay. You put your hand sanitizer on here.
Now you gotta be careful.
What's wrong with this thing?
You gotta.
Maybe you can open up the packet.
All this.
No, you're supposed to like flip it like that.
And we're gonna be doing this with respect, right, Alexander?
Uh-huh.
With words of respect, too, right, Alexander?
Yes.
Alright.
Like that.
Come out. Be free from your packet. That's just like all he's gonna do. I've never seen what it looks like inside one of these things.
Me neither.
Alright.
Nope, not done yet.
Oh, not yet?
No, never. Woo, it's already dripping out.
Okay, let's show
Hey, hey,
respect and be safe.
this will be good.
Okay.
That's a lot.
I'll start a fire. Okay.
Okay, hold it inside.
Now, you're going to take your handy dandy lighter.
Hold it
Cool
inside.
lighter tricks here. Oh, now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna nicely, this is my favorite part. Ooh.
Wow, that's so cool.
Okay, let's get it on the... Hold it onto some of the kindling, buddy.
Light. Oh, fire.
Let's put some on the top.
Ah. Yay, fire. Yay.
Oh, that's so cool.
Ah, feels warm in here.
Alright.
Oh, that feels so warm.
Alright, Alexander. Put it inside nicely there.
Make sure that you don't accidentally drop your lighter in your fire, because that's not good. Okay. Ah,
Look, Mommy! I have a fire! The first time ever!
smells delicious.
It's so warm.
Do we have a fire poker? Smells good.
A fire stick.
Look, Mommy!
I love that.
Our first fire!
Can I be the fire master?
This is what Calvin does. He sits there
And then his
back gets hot, and he goes, "Yee!" and cools down.
Do you keep it open or do you close it?
You close it.
It smells delicious, like fresh wood.
I always feel, I already feel the warmth.
Alright!
I know. Have you ever like been watching TV and like you see the fire, you actually feel like warm? Isn't that weird how your mind thinks that it's real? Oh. Do you have marshmallows?
Alright, so we have started our first fire in our house! New Year's Eve!